Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on February 1, 2022, 5-star Sudoku. 8th row and 10th row we have 3. Column J also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 10th row we have 5, 7, column I we have 6. So 3 number can't come in these cells. It will come any one of the 3 cells, will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column H we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell. 7 will come any one of the cells, will confirm later. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. It will come any one of the cells, will confirm later. Column E and column G we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 9th row and 10th row, column B and column D we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Fifth grade we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Column F, only 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 5, 6. We will confirm later. 6th row and 7th row we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Column G we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. In this grid, only 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. 6th row we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column B and column D we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. 4 will come any one of the cells, we will confirm later. 8th row and 9th row we have 2. 2nd row and 3rd row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 will come any one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column C we have 3. Column E we have 3. Column J we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 6th grade we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 will come any one of the cells, will confirm later. 3rd row and 4th row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column I and column J we have pair numbers 2 and 9. It can't come these cells. It will come any one of the cells, we will confirm later. 5th row and 6th row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Column H and column J we have 1. 2nd row and 3rd row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Second row, only two numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. We will confirm later. Column F, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Third row, we have 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Third grade, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Column E, we have 3. So 3 can't come this cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only two numbers are remaining in this grid, 6 and 7. We will confirm later. Column C, only two numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Ninth row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Ninth row and 10th row we have 9. Column G also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 9th row and 10th row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 8th grade, only two numbers are remaining, 8 and 6. Column E we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column E we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. We can confirm 7 also here. Column E, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Fourth row, only two numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Column I, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Third grade, only two numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. Column H, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Third row and column G, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column I, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 2 and 9. It can't come in these cells. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column H, we have 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 can't come in this cell. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column J, only two numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. We will confirm later. Column D and 6th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 7th row we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. Then 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 8th row, only two numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Column B we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. We can confirm 5 also here. Fifth row and column B we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. In fourth grade, only two numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Sixth row we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Fifth row we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Seventh row and fifth row we have 5, so 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Column F, only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Fifth row we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Fifth row we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column B, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Column D, we have 6, so 6 can't come in these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Then only 1 number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here, then 8 will be here. Column D, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Ninth row we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.